नमस्कार दोस्तों, चलिए आज के अभ्यास की शुरुआत करते हैं जिसमें हम कुछ idioms के बारे में जानेंगे। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। Hi guys, let's start today's exercise in which we will get to know about some idioms. Let's start.
Some common idioms with short meanings. Raining cats and dogs, raining heavily. Cry over spilled milk, regret the past. Throw caution to the wind, take a risk. Bite the bullet, face something painful. Devil's advocate, argue against a point. Add insult to injury, make things worse. Bend over backwards, try hard to please. Burning the candle at both ends, overwork. Hit the nail on the head, be exactly right. Take it with a grain of salt, be skeptical. Let the cat out of the bag, reveal a secret. Barking up the wrong tree, wrong accusation. Taste of your own medicine, repay treatment. Elephant in the room, obvious issue ignored. It takes two to tango, both are responsible. Every cloud has a silver lining, good and bad. Put all eggs in one basket, rely on one thing. Cut to the chase, get to the point. Get a second wind, energized again. Once in a blue moon, rarely happens. Face the music, accept consequences. Jump on the bandwagon, join a trend. When pigs fly, never going to happen. Ball is in your court, your decision. Caught red-handed, caught in the act. Method to the madness, strange logic. Fall head over heels, deeply in love. Steal someone's thunder, take credit. Back to the drawing board, start over. Burst your bubble, disappoint someone. Go down in flames, fail spectacularly. Cost an arm and a leg, very expensive. Spill the beans, share a secret. Go the extra mile, extra effort. Keep an eye on watch carefully. At the drop of a hat, instantly. Hold your horses, wait a moment. Burn the midnight oil, work late. On the ball, alert and attentive. In the same boat, same situation. As right as rain, perfectly fine. Keep your chin up, stay positive. Walking on eggshells, be careful. Cut corners, do something cheaply. Burn bridges, ruin a relationship. Miss the boat, miss an opportunity. Sit on the fence, unable to decide. Make a long story short, summarize. No pain, no gain, work for results. Pull someone's leg, tease or joke with. Hit the road, leave. Kick the bucket, die. Break a leg, good luck. Piece of cake, very easy. Fit as a fiddle, healthy. Hit the sack, go to sleep. Last straw, final problem. Jump the gun, act too soon. Break the ice, ease tension. Call it a day, stop working. Throw in the towel, give up. See eye to eye, fully agree. Put your foot down, be firm. Out of the blue, unexpectedly. Throw in the towel, surrender. On cloud nine, extremely happy. Under the weather, feeling sick.